Hey everybody, it's Moody here. It's March the 20th, 2011. We're here in southern Colbert County at the Cane Creek Nature Preserve. And so we thought we'd share a little bit of just some beautiful country here in southern Colbert County in northwest Alabama and share that with you. So we're back in the woods here, the Cane Creek Canyon Nature Preserve, headed toward the waterfall. We're on Waterfall Trail. And this truly is God's country. There's Lanny Man. We're off the trail over here by the waterfall. Zoom in here. Lanny Man, checking the map.
Yeah, we're at the beautiful country here in Cane Creek Canyon Preserve, and we're at the overlook at the waterfall, and we're proceeding up the mountain here to the point. And we're planning on going down to the Fern Cave from there and maybe make a trip back around, be about 1.5 miles, unless we get more energetic, we may go further. But we don't feel like hiking 11 miles.
This is me you're talking about. More energetic's not in my vocabulary.
We don't feel like hiking 11 miles late this afternoon, I don't think. That's like a marathon.
Alright, we'll bring you some more as we come to it. And we're here, still in Cane Creek Canyon Nature Preserve. And we're still here at the point in Cane Creek Canyon Nature Preserve, and got some rock overhangs and such. Just beautiful, beautiful country. Wonderful. We're still in the Cane Creek Canyon Nature Preserve. It's a tongue twister, but we're on the Canyon Rim Trail. And look at that view, ladies and gentlemen. Come on beside me here, Lanny.
Okay.
Film some. Just come on, keep walking. Come on. Look at that view, ladies and gentlemen. That rivals anything in the Smokies or the whatnot. This is awesome.
This is an awesome place, ain't it?
So anyway,
Really pretty.
God's creation, ladies and gentlemen. Like the pioneers and the dusty trails, Lanny J. Perry is dipping into the creek to slake his thirst and
Branch.
And we're here. We're near the Tree Fern Cave. Is that what it's called, Lanny Man?
Yeah, Tree Fern Cave.
And wow, I could stay out here all day long, but I'm not going to.
Hey, get a better picture of me drinking some water.
There you go.
Just like another.
Pioneer Lanny. There you go. We're at Tree Fern Cave.
I mean, it's got water.
And just to give you the point of view, we're going to hike the little hike down to this canyon. So This will give you the hiking experience, ladies and gentlemen.
I'll get back and take a picture further back. Hold on. Yeah, that's what I figured. I didn't get any pictures there.
I got tons.
We want to take a couple pictures. I'm going to do these with them. Oh, somebody put the rocks up over there.
Hey there, Lanny Man. We're back behind the waterfall. So we had a wonderful afternoon out here in Cane Creek Canyon Natural Preserve, and as it says, beautiful lake here in the background. It's the start and the end of the trail here. And back in the trail, showed you some of the wonderful views. I can't recommend this place enough. It is a great place to come do a nature hike and exercise. I got some exercise. Unfortunately, I didn't have a coronary, and old Lanny Man, Grizzly Jim, got me some water out of a creek and saved my life. So much props to Grizzly Jack there. So
spring water.
So anyway, that's it from the Cane Creek Canyon Nature Preserve. Thumbs up.